Morning guys, it's 8 AM on a Sunday morning and we're down in the Midlands. We're actually at my girlfriend's brother's house. He has somehow convinced me that cleaning your car yourself is better than getting it valeted. We will see. I normally get my car valeted every single week at the Central Manchester car wash that you'll see a lot pop up. Them guys do an amazing job. They do all the detailing as well, which is great. But Aaron has today convinced me to get the snow spray out, clean it myself, so we'll do a little bit of a time lapse. I'm going to be honest, it's not something I normally do, but again, we'll give it a go today. After we've got it clean, we're going to be heading down to Caffeine Machine, which is an amazing place where you can go and look at amazing cars. They've got a coffee shop there, they've got a bar there, they do some amazing food. So we're heading down there. We'll be doing a quick review. I think we're looking like, yeah, by the time we get to Caffeine Machine, this should have done the GP the first 1,000 miles. So we'll do a review of this as well. I've got to say, it's been an amazing 1,000 miles. I've said in the past that my most fun car was the AMGs. I think this is going to take the spot, do you know what I mean? It constantly makes me smile. It's constantly asking for more. It's like a little go-kart trying to push it to the edge. But again, it's been a great car. So we've just cleaned the car. I'm not gonna lie, I'm knackered, and I think I'm definitely gonna leave that to the pros. I think the car's probably more dirty than it was than when I started. But we've got the F-150 cleaned, we've got the GP cleaned-ish, and we're gonna head down to Caffeine Machine and see some of the cars down there. Let's get going. So we're down here at Caffeine Machine. We've got the Mini GP3 with us and the Ford F-150. The GP3 has actually just done its first 1,000 miles, and I've got to say, what an amazing 1,000 miles that's been. It's been probably one of the most fun cars I've ever had. Always keeping me entertained. We've actually got it down on a track day tomorrow, which would be amazing. Let's have a quick look at it. So I've got to say, the one thing that has stood out to me was I didn't expect it to have the pops and bangs that it has. I'm used to obviously a big V8, I'm used to a big noise. This doesn't have the V8 noise, but it does have some pops and bangs, which is nice. What else can I say? The brakes are amazing. Probably the front brakes probably the best to look at. For such a small car, it's got some amazing stopping power. And like I said, it just keeps me entertained every day. It keeps wanting more, it keeps wanting to push you more. I'm really excited about getting it on the track tomorrow. I think it'll do some amazing things. So we've got Aaron's Ford F-150 here as well. This is actually the Harley Davidson edition. It's very exclusive and very rare. As you can see, it's a very it's a big boy. I've always wanted an F-150. It's a little bit like the tale of David and Goliath we have in this here with the Mini GP3. But like I said, a very exclusive car and very limited edition. Looking very big next to the GP3. Look at this Ford Escort in some kind of race spec. I'm not going to pretend to know exactly what it is, but I was going to swear then, I'm not going to swear, but I'm not bothered. It looks amazing. Look at that. What a cracking car. Caffeine Machine, you never fail to deliver. That's it for another day. We've had a cracking day down at Caffeine Machine, met some amazing people, seen some amazing cars, got myself a new cap, which I'm very excited about. And tomorrow we've got the the track day down at Kerborough, which is in Lichfield, which we're very excited about. That video will be coming soon, so make sure that you like and subscribe and see the next video. Cheers, bye.